Shrimp tacos are honestly one of my favorite things to make in the summer. I make them with perfectly seasoned shrimp, serve them with fresh toppings, and this creamy sauce that just pulls everything together. They're simple, delicious, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love them as well. To get all of the recipe details, check out sweetysalado.com/en. The first step is to make the sauce. So in a small bowl, we're going to mix Mexican crema, which is very similar to sour cream, mayonnaise, lime juice, garlic powder, onion powder, and if you want to make it spicy, you can add a small amount of hot sauce. This Melinda's happens to be one of mine, but you can add your favorite brand. Now we give it a good stir, and if you want, you can add some salt to taste. And once the sauce is ready, we're going to place it in the refrigerator until right before serving. After making the sauce, we're going to prep the toppings. And one of my favorites is cilantro. We're going to use about half a bunch that we're going to finely chop. To add some crunch, we're going to serve the tacos with shredded cabbage. And for me, the easiest way to shred it is by using a potato peeler. For flavor, we're going to serve them with thinly sliced or chopped onion. I'm using red, you can use your favorite onion. And after you slice it or finely chop it, you can soak it in cold water to get rid of that strong onion flavor. And to add color and more flavor, we're going to serve them with avocado slices. Now we're going to cook the shrimp. And to season it, I love to use ground cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and about half a teaspoon of salt. We use the seasonings to cover about a pound to a pound and a half of shrimp. And then we're going to make sure that every piece of shrimp is evenly coated. After we season the shrimp, we're going to cook it in a large pan with oil over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes total, or until they turn pink. Now we're going to warm up the tortillas. I'm using a large pan over medium heat until they blister on both sides. But sometimes I use the oven and even the microwave. To serve the tacos, we add a small amount of red cabbage, cilantro, red onion, avocado, a few pieces of shrimp, that delicious creamy sauce, some cotija cheese or queso fresco on top, which is optional, and a small amount of fresh lime.